Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps to disable sync contacts on Discord. If you're looking to keep your contact list private and manage your connections better, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you don't have it downloaded yet, you can find it in the Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, look for the option that says You at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your personal profile. Next, we need to access the settings. To do this, tap the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will lead you to a menu filled with various options for your account. Now let's scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Once you reach this section, tap on it to explore your privacy settings. Here comes the crucial step. Under the Find Your Friends section, you'll see an option that says Sync Contacts. To disable this feature, just toggle the option off. This will ensure that Discord no longer syncs your contacts, keeping your information more private. That's it. You've successfully disabled contact syncing on Discord. This simple change helps you maintain better control over who can connect with you on the platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and updates on using Discord and other apps effectively. See you next time.